Hello, my friends. I say that because that's what Chris, and I think it's pronounced Jezik, says at the beginning of her videos. But you know who it is. It's Tavita. Welcome back to Abstract and Flow. I am doing a pour using this. 4-chamber split cup container. And the reason I mentioned Chris is because I'm using her ribbon pour medium recipe. And I will list everything in the description box. So the problem I was having, my Floetrol, I don't know what's going on, but it's super thin. So I was trying to do some ring pours, and I didn't have any. They were just all over the place. They were just like spewing all over the place. So I needed to find something that would thicken up my, thicken up the paint. I saw Chris's video, played around with her recipe. So we're going to try this again. I'm using Amsterdam's oh God, what does that say? Permanent. No, this is valid. Yeah, permanent. Not only can I not see, I can't read. Permanent blue violet. Amsterdam. Ha! DecoArt's 24K. Let me show you the consistency. Oops. Okay. So now I'm getting a mound on a mound on a mound. That's the consistency of all of my paints. So 24K permanent blue violet, Artist Loft white and black in this 4-chamber pour container. Now, what I figured the secret to this particular type of pour is don't rush it. Don't rush it. Teeny tiny little swirls, circles, because this is going to be a traveling ring pour. So teeny tiny little circles. All right, let's get it started. I'm going to pan you down to the board. Yeah. And we're going to get this pour started. Here we go. Okay, so this is a pour I did or try to do. And you can see, because my Floetrol was so thin, there's no definition. Nothing. So we're going to reuse this. And hopefully get something pretty. So, fingers crossed. Here we go. I'm going to lay down a puddle of white. Halfway decent. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the gold in its chamber. Here we go. Teeny tiny. Teeny tiny. I gotta keep telling myself that. Uh-oh. And you're almost kind of overlapping as you pour out. I think I'm gonna have a big old okay. So you see that? Let's pour some just to give ourselves a cushion so that we can maintain what we've poured out. Okay. Here we go. give it a little spin. See what happens. Okay. Now, if I had kind of connected as I was pouring and didn't leave such so much white gap, it would have been, you know, a little bit more, excuse me, you know, together. But I think I really like this. Look at that little area right there, the white. And, oh, look like little peacock feathers coming around. I'm not crazy about this section, but overall, I think I kind of like it. Let's give it a little turn around so you can see it from this direction. This little area here is the best part. And then it's swooping up. I like that. Oh my goodness. So, let's give it a little bit of a torch. I don't want any sails to pop up. You know, when you add little heat, sometimes you'll get more little sails. But I really like the way this turned out. And this is actually my first traveling ring pour. Okay. All right. Not bad, I think, for my first traveling ring pour. I'm going to do a few more because I think I really like this technique. And I especially like doing it on the round. This is a 12-inch wood round. So let's go in for a close-up. There's that area here I was telling you about that is really pretty. Okay, folks, that's all I got for you tonight. I'm really happy with this one. I hope you like it too. Give me a comment and a like and a share. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. So, as I always say, stay blessed, stay safe. See you next pour. Bye.